Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to book an airport taxi on the booking.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website and after that go to your homepage and tap on this airport taxis button at the top of the screen. After that, you should select the whether it's a one-way or a return taxi drive, and then you should enter your pickup location, and then enter your destination. After that, you should select the date on this calendar, the exact pickup time, and then the number of passengers. And when you are done, tap on the confirm button and click on the search button on the right side. And as you can see, here you can find the available options. You can set the taxi such as standard, large people carrier or people carrier, and then you can also set your return date if you want to. Then you should add your passenger details, flight details, and you can add a further note or additional note for the driver and tap on the continue to book button to proceed to checkout, add payment details, and here you can see the total price as well. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.